welcome to my channel today. This is the King's Tutor. Okay, if you're just joining us for the first time, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell, like, comment, and share this video. Okay, today we want to see a past question from mathematics. Okay, which involves set. Okay, I got this past question. So the question said, let the universal set equal 3, 6, 9 up to 45, and let set A equal y such that y is less than 22, and let set B equal y such that y is a factor of what? 45, where y is an element of the what? Universal set. Okay, if that is the case, said find Roman figure 1 number of the universal set, 2 A union B, and 3 A intersection B. So how do we solve this? The first thing is to get the complete members of this set. It did not give us a complete member. So from this now, we say the universal set equal, we have 3, we have 6, we have 9. Now it means that we are adding 3 to the what's previous to get the next value. So we'll add 3 to 9, we'll have 12, we'll have 15, we'll have 18, 21, we have 24, we have 27, we have 30, we have 33, we have 36, we have 39, we have 42, and we have 45. Okay, which is this, we have 45. So the next one is set A. Let's complete set A. It says set A is y such that y is less than 22. So let's look. Remember, they said y is an element of the universal set, meaning y is a subset of the universal set. So from this now, y less than 22 will come from the what? Universal set. What are the values that is less than 22 here? We have 3, we have 6, we have 9, we have 12, we have 15, 18, and 21. These are the values less than 22. Also, set B. Set B is y such that y is a factor of 45. Now what are factor of 45? Those are values in which we can divide 45 without remainder. So we can have 3, we have 9, we have 15, and we have 45. Okay? Remember, all this should be among the universal set. Now the first thing, they said find the number of the universal set. That is how many members are there. So we said, number figure 1, a number of the universal set equal. Now we'll count how many members are in the universal set. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15 members. So our value is 15. So the other one, we have A union B. What is union of a set? It means the what? Summation of two sets without repeating their members. Okay? So we'll take cognizance A union B of the two sets, set A and set B. We want to what? Sum them up without repeating their numbers. Now from this now we have 3, we have 6, we have 9, we'll take just 1. We have 12, we have 15, 18, 21, and what? 45. These are what? The union of the two sets. Okay? And the third one, we have A intersection B. And A intersection B means what is common between the two sets. What is common between both of the two sets. So we have what is common between them. They have 3 common. So we write 3. The next one, 6 is there, 6 here, no. 9 is here, we have 9 here, we have 9. Now check another one, 12 is not here. 15 is here, we have 15. So that is the only value that is common to both sides. Okay, so that is how to solve the question relating to set in this manner. So if you're just joining us, please kindly subscribe, like, share this video.